that.
Okay. Alright. Thanks. So, he's either blushing or he's got a great tan.
What is this?
Let's shift gears,
Does this
friends.
mean I can
Serious
go
stuff
with
now.
you?
It's your
Once again,
flight
here's
itinerary
a
to
recap
St.
of
John's.
what's going on. Still
Wait, are you serious? Or are you kidding?
So who else will join them? Before we get to that, here are the highlights.
Wait, are you serious right now?
Kristen, Caleb, Jessica, and Emily.
Wait, are you? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! I'm so.
Can you try it up ahead of stuff?
Is that what you were doing last night?
Mm-hmm.
Mom, you are so mean. I thought.
So you're gonna go with me, and you're gonna come back with Grandma.
Okay,
So you're gonna be gone for 7 days.
that's better than not being on all.
And not let his nerves get the best of him. You gotta definitely try and get that
I'm so excited.
emotion across.
When is it?
So Kristen came in with the Kelly Clarkson song "Beautiful Disaster," which is a bold move. When we hit the stage, I think she gave a pretty good performance. The judges loved it.
Oh my gosh,
They were pretty
that is.
positive. But in the end, did she really take my advice? And
Happy
sound
birthday,
like
Merry
Slasher
Christmas,
and get that message
Happy
across?
Easter.
I don't know. I want to see more melody because you got that big old range. Yeah, yeah. You know, I'd like to see you use it. Caleb definitely
I was in
continuously shows
reposition. Why don't
who
you
he
step from
is.
it?
He's the in-house rocker.
Wait, so can I like learn how to scuba dive or something?
Probably not, but you can probably go snorkeling.
That's cool still.
It's not enough time to learn how to scuba dive.
I'm so excited.
What are you doing?
But I work with her on how to sound those lyrics and that emotion. On the night, I think she was great. She commands your attention from jump. I mean, she was just